The foundation is just making sure that you understand where you are with your podcast. And in order to understand where you are, what is it that you really need to know? You need to start paying more attention to your stats. It's interesting because when I go on Facebook groups with podcast hosts, when I go to those Facebook groups, people are always saying, do not pay attention to your stats. And that really upsets me because if you don't know where you are, if you don't know which episodes are performing better and which are worse, then you're not going to be able to add the value to your right person. So step number one, before anything, the ground foundation before anything is understanding where you are. You got to understand where you are in order to know how to get to where you want to go. So you start looking and seeing, hey, which episode do I have that has 50 downloads? Which episode do I have that has 150 downloads? And then you can start doing more content like that. So start to just get an idea. And almost any hosting platform, Libsyn, Buzzsprout, and more than a dozen more, they are going to have some type of stats. Even the one that I don't like, which used to be called Anchor, and I still don't like it. I still don't think it's accurate. It doesn't show, at least the clients that I work with, it doesn't show them the right numbers. And when they switch to one of these other paid platforms, they usually get better numbers than they do using Spotify. With that said, even if you had Spotify, it would give you some sort of idea of where your more engaging episodes are. And that's really step one. That's really your foundation. You want to start by just understanding exactly where you are. And you're going to get there by logging into your hosting platform, like Libsyn or Buzzsprout or wherever, and following through to see which of your episodes are the worst downloaded and which are the highest downloaded, and to see if your trends are going up, down, or just staying stagnant. As you get this idea, that'll be a benefit for you to be armed with the right information.